Welcome back. We've been regularly receiving updates regarding that bomb threat to several prominent private schools across Delhi NCR. And the list, however, has been going up to the number of schools that have now received this bomb threat. Now, we're just trying to compile as many as when it comes to the breaking update that is now coming in, as much as 50 schools. 50 schools across Delhi NCR have received the same bomb threat, and that too over email. Early in the morning, what is being said that this email was received by the school authorities, and then they raised the alarm to the police and to the parents as well. Many schools already in Dwarka, we have told that they have declared a holiday for the students, but the police have been reacting on this situation. Let's listen in.
जो भी स्कूल्स हैं वो भी और जो हमें इम्पोर्टेंट लगते हैं सारी हमने चेक कर लिया। किसी में कुछ इशू नहीं है।
सर क्या है? आईपी एड्रेस बताया जा रहा है कि बाहर का है। आईपी एड्रेस सर बताया जा रहा है बाहर का है।
तो ये डीसीपी नई दिल्ली यहाँ पर निकले, उनका साफ तौर पर ये कहना था कि राम कि सारे स्कूलों की तलाशी अभियान।
Well, that was the police's reaction that is now coming in. Of course, several teams of the police, the bomb disposal, the firefighting that have been deployed to multiple schools who have now raised the issue when they too have received such kind of threat, a bomb threat over email. The source, the IP address is something that when it comes to the police will try to find out, because Sabyasachi and Akansha with us, both joining us from respective private schools which have received this bomb threat. Sabyasachi, over to you. Of course, now we are getting to know that this could be bigger. Earlier, there were few schools across Delhi NCR. Now the number may go well beyond 50.
Well, absolutely. You see, as we speak continuously, the number of schools which have received the threat email is continuously increasing. And till now, around 50 schools of the Delhi NCR region have received this threat email. Now, see, we are reporting live from the Sanskriti school here in the national capital. And short while ago, the DCP New Delhi had just left the premises of the school. He says that the school has been sanitized properly, has been checked thoroughly, and no suspicious object has been found. Meanwhile, the investigation is underway to find out the source of this email, to find out the IP address of the email, as well as the bomb disposal squad, as well as the dog squad has been brought in inside the school premises. They have checked thoroughly, not even once but twice, the entire premises of the school. Every single corridor of the school has been checked thoroughly, and no suspicious object has been found. Meanwhile, the Delhi police clearly says that they have informed the security agencies about this matter, and investigation would begin right now to track down the IP address of the email, to find out who is the source of the email, because this particular email which we are talking about has been sent across to 50 schools in the Delhi NCR region, and the number could even get higher as we speak. Back to you.
Let me go across to Priyank as well. Akansha also continue to be with us. Priyank, the number is going beyond 50 as far as the same email threat that has been received by several schools. Priyank, over to you.
Yes, certainly, and there's an immense amount of panic amongst the parents because since morning, Amita, I have also been getting personal call soon after people saw this. Let me show you this kind of traffic. The traffic movement has increased. We are outside the Bal Bhavan Public School in Dwarka, and soon after the threat mail which was received by the DPS Dwarka and multiple schools also receiving the threat mail. The parents have come in panic. There were messages, WhatsApp circular which was issued to various parents, and now they are rushing towards the school. Look at the kind of chaotic situation which has happened here. Approximately 50 schools have received this particular threat mail, and still the students are coming out. Initially, DPS Dwarka was the location which received the first threat call, and as we have already told it to our viewers that the parents were not informed regarding this. My school, my son also studies in DPS Dwarka, and initially when we got the information, we could not send my son to the school because we got the information earlier. But there were several schools like where I'm standing right now. Certainly, the parents were not aware about this particular development which is happening, And now, after getting information from the school authorities, they have rushed to the schools. Look at the kind of chaotic situation. Certainly, what we have got
Well,
to
of
know
course,
from
multiple
Delhi police.
parents that are concerned because it was right at the beginning of the school day when they received that message from the school asking them to pick up their wards from the school. We're looking at several schools that have received the same email threat. Let's also listen into the police's reaction. Of course, sanitization process that has been carried out in all of these schools.
So the mail has been received by many schools, and it was sent early this morning, and schools are regularly informing us, and we are responding to each and every school. We are sending our bomb disposal teams, checking teams, and the evacuation teams for the safety and security of students, and we are in continuous touch with the parents and the school administration, so as to have safety and security of all the stakeholders.
So the schools even have declared holiday for today. The parents have been sending messages. However, what Delhi police is taking action to ensure the safety of the students and the safety of the schools?
So we are ensuring checking of each and every school, and we are in continuous touch with the school administration, and as we are ensuring that each and every school is thoroughly checked, and there is no iota of doubt.
Well, Akansha, what's the update at your end?
Well, I'm currently standing outside Mother Mary School here in Mayur Vihar area, which is in East Delhi, and currently the search operations are underway. The entire area has been cordoned off. Delhi police officials, anti-bomb disposal squad, all of these officials are currently inside. And just a while back, a Delhi police official came out and he said that nothing suspicious has been found so far, but parents are in fact worried. We are joined by few parents here. आपके बच्चे पढ़ते हैं स्कूल में, कितने बजे मैसेज आया था?
ये मैसेज 8:05 में मैसेज आया था, जिसमें कि बॉम्ब वगैरह के बारे में बताया गया था, और जब स्टार्टिंग में आए थे 7:45 बच्चों को लेकर, तो हमें कोई ऐसे कोई खास इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दी गई थी। ये कहा था कि इमरजेंसी में स्कूल बंद करे जा रहे हैं, और फिर हम घर चले गए। तो
50 स्कूलों में ऐसा मेल आया है।
मतलब कैसे, मतलब तो ये तो
बहुत डरावने वाली बात है कि छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ते हैं स्कूलों में और ऐसा मेल आ रहा है, तो इसके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को। भाई
We have another parent है, in fact आपके बच्चे किसी और स्कूल में यहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं, क्या है स्कूल का नाम और उसको भी इवैक्यूएट कर दिया गया है?
मेरे बच्चे तो एस्टर पब्लिक स्कूल में
पास में ही है?
जी पास में ही है, एल्कोन के पास में है। वहाँ से भी हमें मैसेज मिला था कि आके
मैसेज एक बार दिखा सकते हैं। Dear parents, due to some circumstances, we are declaring the closure of the school for today. Kindly make it convenient to pick up your ward from the school premises as soon as possible. For students availing school transport, we are applying the buses right now. Location will be shared accordingly. कितना दूर है
यहाँ पास में ही है बिल्कुल। हाँ,
उनको भी आपको सेम ही बताया गया कि बॉम्ब थ्रेट है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला, बच्चों को ले जाइए, बस जल्दी ले जाइए आप, बस इतना बताया गया था अभी।
अच्छा,
तो हम तुरंत आ गए थे मैसेज मिलते ही। हाँ, सुबह ऐसा कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ बम वम रख दिया गया है, पर अभी देख रहे हैं कि बहुत भीड़ है, बहुत मीडिया वाले खड़े हुए हैं, तो फिर हम लोग आ गए अपने बच्चों को लेने।
So this is a situation right here. Parents are quite worried. In fact, the bomb has been a bomb
Right, so
threat.
several schools have informed their parents what the issue is. Many other schools have been just asking their parents to come to the school to pick up their children. Priyank, I believe that's the evacuation taking place right behind you. All right, one of the school principals are reacting there. Let's listen into the reaction.
काउंसलिंग हम उनके लिए, हमने अभी पीछे भी 5000 बच्चों को लेके इवेंट किया था, साइबर सेफ्टी को लेके भी, सिक्योरिटी को लेके भी। आज भी इनफैक्ट सुबह आप मानेंगे नहीं, हमारी एक स्पेशल असेंबली थी पीस एंड वॉर पे भी लेके, और किस तरह से बच्चों को मैसेजेस कन्वे करने चाहिए, सब हम सिखाते हैं उनको थ्रू ड्रामा, डांस, इन सो मेनी वेज वी टीच देम।
थैंक यू सो मच।
वेलकम।
Priyank, coming back to you on that, of course, many schools that have also been reacting their messages also to the parents that have gone across. We're looking at pictures coming in of school evacuation. The children are being taken out.
Yes, Amita, you can see, and the visual itself, can be a spine-chilling thing for all those parents who are watching this television broadcast at home. There were messages which were sent to those parents to come straight away and pick their wards from the school. Generally, in the end of the school day time period, when the period gets over, there is a protocol which is being followed, that the taxi drivers come, the bus drivers, and other drivers to come. But this time the parents have been allowed to go inside the school premises. On my left hand side, if you can see that these are the parents who are just showing their iCard, going inside the school, going to the respective classes and picking their wards. It is certainly a traumatic experience for these parents. Many people have been asking us that what has happened. Let me tell you to our viewers that what has happened since morning, early morning. At 5:36, the first email was received by a few of the prominent private schools in the national capital, which started from DPS Dwarka, Sanskriti School, DPS Vasant Kunj, Amity in Saket, and all these schools reacted promptly on time, and they informed the wards of the children not to bring their children to the school. Those children who had already come to the school were told to go back. They were not allowed to do so. But after this panic which has been created because of the threat mails, because of all these SOPs which is being followed by the Delhi police, fire department officials, there are prominent other schools like Bal Bhavan, where we are standing right now, who have which has also issued advisory for their children to go back home, and that has created this kind of panic. This is the kind of chaotic situation which is outside the gate of this private school. On the other side, if we can show you that the I beg your pardon. The traffic movement has also increased. This is a stretch of the road which has Bal Bhavan and Bal Bharti, two of the prominent schools here in the national capital. The parents have come here. If you can allow, I can try to go and talk to a few of the parents so that we can get a sense that what they are exactly thinking. But while talking about, yes, certainly. Do you study in this school?
Yes, sir.
What was the information which you got from the school?
They said that there was a bomb blast in DPS Dwarka, so they're trying to inspect the school.
You were told that there was a bomb blast?
There was a bomb blast threat.
Threat, okay. Then?
So they're trying to inspect the school and sending the children away.
Okay. So that's what this student is saying. The parents who are coming here. Sir, when did you get this information regarding?
Just half an hour back I got information, and they are not responding to anything. Just see how they are behaving.
So you're not allowed to go enter the school?
He's not allowing me. He's telling me, get your iCard. If they will call me suddenly and ask me to come to the school, then from where will I get the ID card?
Genuine problem, because the parents are in the problem because they have rushed to the school. Many of them are not carrying the iCard, and certainly the school administration is not allowing them. There are mothers who have come to the school. They got this information. Ma'am, when did you get this information regarding?
Right now only.
Right.
Like it's been 10-15 minutes and we have rushed here. So I'm here to take my sister.
Okay, you are here.
Yeah.
सर कब आप लोगों को जानकारी मिली इस बारे में?
अभी 5 मिनट पहले।
अच्छा, और आप लोग ऑफिस के लिए जा रहे थे या सीधे यहाँ पे आ गए?
सीधे यहाँ पर आ गए।
ऑफिस के लिए भी बहुत सारे लोग जा रहे होंगे।
मेल गोइंग अराउंड यार, सुबह 6 बजे से चल रहा है ड्रामा, कई स्कूलों में हुआ है ये, तो ये दिस नो नीड टू पैनिक. I don't think why the school is creating such a panic for this. कई स्कूलों में हुआ, सुबह 6 बजे से DPS.
From DPS.
Yeah. So it's nothing.
That's the message which is coming out from one of the parents, that there is no need to get panic. There's a fake email which is going on, and this fake email has certainly created panic among the children. Look at the kind of line, Amita. Because once we got to know regarding this kind of threat mail, we had also informed our viewers through our channel that they don't need to panic. But certainly the manner in which the schools have started reacting, the manner in which other schools have also started reacting and sending a message to the parents has created this kind.
अपन तो जाइए ना, अपन तो जाइए, वहाँ से पूरी इंक्वायरी लगेगी।
क्या आप देख के आए हैं, बताएं आप।
मैं बच्चे को लेकर आया हूँ, भीड़ भड़का लग रहा है, यही लग रहा है
पूरा।
हाँ पूरा बिल्कुल जी। सारी क्लास खाली हो चुकी है।
आप क्लास में जाके लेके आए या बाहर?
क्लास में जाके लेके आए।
नहीं है महाराज, अब जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं, जिसके पास भी स्कूल पे जो भी आ रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं, भगदड़ मच रही है, किसी का एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए, कौन सोच रहा है इसके बारे में? कोई हेलमेट पहन के नहीं आ रहा, कहाँ गया प्रशासन? ये अब मेल की जिसने भी मेल भेजी है, जहाँ सही ढंग से होनी चाहिए उसकी। तो
very genuine point coming out from these parents. They are saying that there should be a proper inquiry before creating panic. People have rushed.
Well, of course, there needs to be, as far as this provision is concerned, to streamline if such kind of a situation arises. As far as the safety of the children is concerned, that is paramount. Let's also, in the meantime, Priyank, please to stay on with us.